Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Google has the largest index of websites in the world. There is only one country in the world that does not use the metric system. The Paris Agreement on climate change was signed by the largest number of countries ever in one day. The Google search technology is called PageRank. New creatures have been found in deep sea volcanoes. Google has about 90% of worldwide market share. Recent droughts in Europe were the worst in 2100 years. Walt Disney started sketching regularly when he was just 4 years old. Pound cake is so called because the recipes once called for a pound of butter, a pound of sugar, a pound of eggs, and a pound of flour. Lima beans have an amazing ability to command wasps as a defense. Minus 40 degrees Celsius is exactly the same as minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Ripe cranberries will bounce like a ball. German chocolate cake is not from Germany. German is actually the last name of the man who invented a kind of baking chocolate. %98% of people who read this don't know what is SEO. Cilantro and coriander are considered to be the same. One of the South Atlantic island of Tristan da Cunha potatoes were once used as currency. From all the oxygen that a human consumes, 20% goes to brain. The day the people understand this picture, everything will be changed. It is discovered more people drown in fresh water than in salt water. NASA has predicted that 12 Indian cities will be submerged up to 2.7 feet by 2109. The skull of Mary Magdalene in Saint Maximin Basilica in France. These are butterfly eggs on leaf. Lava can flow as fast as a sprinting greyhound. The great hammerhead can weigh as much as 1000 lbs and be as long as 20 feet. An average person breathes in around 11,000 liters of air every day. Hong Kong has the highest number skyscraper than any other city in the world. Elephant can smell water from 3 miles away. NASA astronaut shares pictures of Himalayas from space. It takes longer to say www than it does to say World Wide Web. Our body is as old as universe because matter is never created or destroyed. Dragon Man discovered in China represents new type of human species. Giant pandas eat approximately 28 pounds of bamboo a day, that's over 5 tons per year. What can be opened but cannot be closed? The most popular car model in the world is the Toyota Hilux. Japanese railway companies test blue LED lights at stations and find that it has actually decreased the number of suicides by 74%. 26 August is celebrated as National Dog Day. Every year, 22,000 tons of dust is blown from the Sahara Desert all the way to Amazon rainforest. The more money people spend on their weddings, the more likely they are to get divorced. In 19 August 1967, Satya Nadella was born. He is the CEO of Microsoft from 4th Feb 2014. The bowhead whale can live for longer than 2 centuries, making it the oldest mammal. In Japan, when a train leaves the station at the wrong time, the rail company apologizes. The smallest dinosaur ever discovered is only 16 inches long. The letter E is the most common letter in the English language. The Antarctic Polar Desert is the world's largest desert, covers roughly 5.5 million square miles. Thanks for watching.